36 inches. Pretty good size. Not bad. Just not overly jumping. It's not yet. Now it's splashing. Now you make some noise. Maybe a 10-pounder. Well, 29.5 inches.
Doing abutment. Yeah, there we go.
Abutment? What the hell is an abutment?
Yeah, it's going around the outside of the tube.
Yeah, that's $1,000. Easy to honor still. That'd be something on that. It's not rolling around or doing anything.
Just kind of long.
Yeah. I'll get him up here.
I've noticed they kind of just are hanging there.
There he goes.
The water temperature is like 72, 70. It's really not that hot. It's pretty good.
It's dropping pretty good.
As in the water depth.
That temperature, but
Yeah. Yeah. It's been nice.
sunny.
Doug's-
The sunny though warms it back up. Yeah. but at
Doug
least-
wants to go with me on Monday fishing. I said, that's fine. I go, as long as the weather's okay. We'll find out.
There's bubbles. I screwed up next Monday and Tuesday. I make these appointments for, I gotta go to the rheumatologist Monday and the shoulder lady Tuesday. I make both appointments like 8:30 in the
Oh,
morning.
gosh.
And it's like, shit.
You need to start just making them in the afternoon.
Well, I usually like to go in the morning because they're, you don't have to wait usually as long. And so they always ask, when do you want it? And I say, oh yeah, first thing in the morning's feel good. Then it was like, oh shit. That's gonna screw up at least one day of fishing. I guess I could come out, when I get. They usually don't take very long, but I can come out. Afterwards, or just go over to Walnut or something. Nope. just lost the float came off.
What came off?
The float. But, when I was there, he is. Oh, he's
That's not
decent.
bad.
He's not bad. So when I reached down to try to grab that, it just killed my shoulder. What are you doing? Oh. There we go. First.
Pick that up. Or
Do this.
watch out for your walk.
I moved it to the other
Okay.
side.
There it goes.
As I said, everything is.
You put quite a
Back
chunk
in
on
the,
it.
There we
Yeah.
go.
they cut your grass, and about 2 days later, it
I don't know.
almost needs to
They
be
got
cut
it.
again.
He might be on there. Yes.
I'm gonna turn.
I was going to turn this.
Caught a small one.
Uh-huh.
Right through the chunk. The orange chunk.
Yeah. He hit it right in the middle of the orange line.
Really?
Yeah.
Not very good.
Turn it and we're not turning.
Yes, Andy?
Yes, I'm not turning enough.
Yeah. Okay.
Might be.
Oh, I see. The trolling motors. The thing boogered up on it.
Little one. That's it for now. See you later.